10. In this video we will discuss page number 18, 19 of English book chapter Nelson Mandela. From this chapter we will have some questions and we will discuss this page only. Then first question based on line, the sun shall never set on so glorious a human achievement. Then first question on this line is, where has this line been taken from? Then answer will be, this line has been taken from Nelson Mandela. Second question may be, who is the speaker here? The speaker here is Nelson Mandela. Third question may be, what does the term so glorious a human achievement mean or refer to? The term so glorious a human achievement refers to the installation of a non-racial democratic government in South Africa. Next question, why did people lifted their eyes in awe? AWA. People lifted their eyes in awe because the South African jets, helicopters and troop carriers roared in perfect formation over the Union buildings in the sky, and it created fear. People lifted their eyes toward the sky. What did Mandela say about the spectacular array of South African jets, helicopters and ट्रूप कैरियर्स? जेट होता है, वो भी हवाई जहाज़ होता है, हेलीकॉप्टर्स आप जानते हैं, और ट्रूप कैरियर्स होता है जिसमें मिलिट्री को इधर उधर भेजते हैं. देन व्हाट मंडेला जी क्या कहते हैं इस ये जो दृश्य होता है उस पर मंडेला क्या कहते हैं? The South African jets, helicopters and troop carriers roared in perfect formation over the Union building. Mandela said that it was not the display of military power of South Africa. Rather, it is a demonstration of the military power of South Africa to the newborn democracy. They are showing by doing this, they are showing their loyalty to the newborn democracy in South Africa. Next, how did the highest generals of South African Defence Force and Police behave with Nelson Mandela on the day of inauguration? On the day of inauguration, the highest generals of South African military, defense force and police saluted him and showed their loyalty, pledged their loyalty to him, as he had become the first black president of South Africa. Next, what was Mandela not unmindful of? On the day of inauguration, the military generals and highest generals of defense force and police saluted him, but these people, the same people, would have arrested him if they had seen him before some months of this inaugural ceremony. तो इस बात को नेल्सन मंडेला उस समय भी याद कर रहे हैं कि अगर कुछ दिन पहले हमको देखा होता तो अरेस्ट करता, टॉर्चर करता. क्यों? बिकॉज those institutions, the defense force and police were under the command of white power, Pretoria government. Next, what was Mandela not unmindful of? Mandela had not forgotten, even when he was saluted by the highest generals of defense force and police on that very day, but he had not forgotten that these people would have arrested him had they seen him some months before, had they seen him some years before, because at that time he was a revolutionary against Pretoria government. This fact he had not forgotten even when the the highest generals of defense force and police saluted him. Next question. What left a smoke trail of black, red, green, blue and gold of the new South African flag? ऐसे मौक़ों पर जेट से हम रंग बिरंगा कलर आकाश में क्रिएट करते हैं, उसकी लाइन बनाते हैं. तो दैट इज़ द सीन क्रिएटेड देयर. एंड व्हाट क्रिएटेड दिस सीन? देन a several of Impala jets left a smoke trail of the black, red, green, blue and gold of the new South African flag. मैंने इम्पाला जेट्स की एक ग्रुप ने ऐसा किया. हाउ मेनी कलर्स आर देयर इन साउथ अफ्रीकन नेशनल फ्लैग? देयर आर 5 कलर्स एंड दीज कलर्स आर ब्लैक, रेड, ग्रीन, ब्लू एंड गोल्ड. इसको याद करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, हाउ वाज द डे सिम्बलाइज्ड बाय फॉर नेल्सन मंडेला? This day became symbolized for Nelson Mandela as 2 national anthems were sung on this day, on the day of inauguration of South African Democratic Government. And those national anthems were Nkosi Sikelel' iAfrika Diastem. Mention the 2 national anthems sung on the inaugural day. Then Nkosi Sikelel' iAfrika and Diastem. One, Nkosi Sikelel' iAfrika was the national anthem of the white people and Diastem was the national anthem of the black people. थैंक यू. तो इस वीडियो में इतना आप सुनिए, बाद में फिर एक छोटा वीडियो और बनाएंगे और चैप्टर और पेजेज पर आप इसको सुनिए. डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में कुछ आंसर्स के हिंट्स भी मिलेंगे. थैंक यू.